How to configure doors. Navigate to the Door Configuration tab. Select the door you would like to edit by clicking the door number or Edit. Door Active Time Zone indicates the hours that the reader will be functioning. Door Passage Mode Time Zone indicates the hours that the lock will be open. You can change how long the lock remains open and the frequency of scans. If using a door sensor, you can set it as normally open or closed. The Verify mode indicates the type of credentials that are required to unlock the door. Wigand card format can be changed to accept different card formats. A duress password and video camera can be linked to the door. Click OK to save your settings.